So I think time changes people. A lot of people are pulling up this picture of Girish Kumar and talking about how much he's changed in terms of looks and all that. Actually, if you look at a picture of his father, he looks quite similar to him. And I think he's maintained himself well. He's just not in that actor sort of look. He looks like a normal person. He looks like another guy. And it's fine. ये बहुत ही rich family से है. If anyone does not know, टिप्स आपने कंपनी का नाम सुना ही होगा. अगर आपको नहीं पता तो उनकी म्यूजिक एल्बम्स तो आती ही थी, पर अलॉन्ग साइड दे ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ फिल्म्स. टू नेम अ फ्यू, अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी, रेस फ्रेंचाइज उनकी है. तो and they also launched him in, I think he was in Ramaiya Vastavaya obviously, which came out in 2013. उस फिल्म का म्यूजिक बहुत ही हिट था. आतिफ असलम ने गाया था. एंड आतिफ असलम को इंडिया में ज़्यादा पॉपुलर भी वैसे टिप्स नहीं करा था. I think they signed him on for a couple of albums, Tips did. Although Atif obviously was doing songs uh, for Bhatt Productions as well. Vishesh, I think Vishesh films. उनके लिए भी उन्होंने बहुत गाने करे थे स्टार्टिंग में, लाइक वो लम्हे एंड अब तो आदत सी मुझे. तो वो जो एक साउंड था जो कि आया है, एंड वो आतिफ असलम को लेकर आए थे, वो इट हैज़ बीन पॉपुलराइज्ड विद हिम as well. A lot of those songs are still heard today. It was very cool. And he's just not an actor. I think he did a second film after that, which did not really go anywhere. And I think after that, he just sort of took a step back from the industry, which is fine. इतना पैसा है बॉस, क्या ज़रूरत है? अगर नहीं बन पाए एक्टर कोई नहीं, at least he tried. He definitely had a look. I will say this. He definitely had a look and he maintained himself very well. He could have done something, but again, it's their choice, It's their choice. But yeah, I think it's unfair to sort of judge people based on how they look at a certain time to how they look now. I don't think he looks too bad, to be honest. I think he looks all right. He looks like another guy on the street, and that's fine. But guess what? He has more money than another guy on the street. So that's definitely true for him. So enjoy your life, man.